Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Biweekly Contest 147 on Leetcode. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's contest, these problems, everything in between. This is the live recording, so so if you're looking for an explanation, it's each one will have its own video. Sorry, I spilled some water on myself. That's why I'm like wiping it a little bit. Yeah, we have 25 seconds to go. Wish me good luck. Honestly, I'm not awake. My stomach is aching a little bit, so I might have to take a break at some point. But yeah, let's go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go. It's too easy? Oh. Well, this isn't that bad. I'm trying to figure out the easiest way to do this. But yeah, okay. This is so annoying to do. Does that work? Okay, so what's that suffix is no? Empty or something? Okay, so man, I'm spending too much time on this one, honestly, but I found last index. Oh yeah, that's what I was going to do. I forgot. I actually had this idea, but then I was like, what am I doing? I forgot. Okay. It is a very dumb way of doing it, honestly. So dumb that it doesn't work, but Leetcode, that seems right. Then why is this not right? Oh, suffix. Why did I write this? I just woke up and I'm clearly not thinking right. Okay, true, false, true. Okay, let's go. Okay. It wasn't that bad. It was slow for sure, but it wasn't that bad. Okay. Okay, so it's just a priority queue, right? With update priority. Yeah, okay. What is the user ID? What does the user ID do? Oh, I see. Okay, fine. We want priority? We want high priority or high? Highest is the biggest number. Okay. Task ID, ID. What if it's the same priority? Highest task number. Okay. Not gonna lie, my stomach is killing me right now. I need to use the restroom bit. Yeah. Okay. Just guarantee that doesn't exist. Okay. Edit. Oh. Maybe I could just do it too. Otherwise, then just return UID, right? 35. Oops. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm a noob. I just woke up. My stomach is killing me. TID. What was that? 916. Oh, UID. How did I forget UID? Oh, okay, fine. Shouldn't have changed though. This one shouldn't. Oh. No, this one should not change. So then UID. Yeah. Okay. Fine. I'm too slow on today. My stomach is killing me. 28. I guess I should just change the variable names, but whatever. Okay, so this is fine, maybe. Line 36. Last of task. Oh. No, this is right for now. 105 is not a task ID, is it? It is. That's weird. So use has it, but last, I do not update last. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay. 3.5, okay, let's go. Oh, there's a -1 thing. I just the no task return -1. Okay, well, I actually did remember reading it, but then I just kind of, like I said, I'm watching it a little bit because my stomach is killing me. That is such a silly mistake. I'm definitely watching it though because I would have taken the time for Well, today is not a good day. What is going on? Add an update. I think remove is the wonky one. Oh, maybe. Yeah, okay. I think this. Yeah, okay. I hope that's it. Because what I would do is that if I. Patience, Larry. Edit. Add. Oh, this is initial. I can read this input. Okay, so add and then edit. But if we edit this to be 20, then it should. Yeah. But if I didn't have this, so if I have this, that's fine. But if I didn't have this, then this would happen twice. Okay, so yeah, so this at least does something. All right, let's go. Okay. Silly mistakes today. But my stomach is killing me. I just need to get enough. I want to. My goal is to get to. Okay, let's go. Finish this first. Integer nums, longest subsequence, such that absolute difference between How far behind am I? Oh, the leaderboard doesn't work. Oh no, there it is. That's not great, but oh, okay, maybe we can catch up. Absolute difference. Longest subsequence. Okay, n is 10 to the 4th. What's that? 10,000. Numbers is 300 though. 10. Alright, I'm gonna use the rest from now that I did in my head. Okay, I think I feel a little bit better. What a weird day. Okay. So 300 times that should be okay, right? So that means we have to. So it's tick, no tick. But then you have 300 square, right? Index, tick, no tick. So if we write something just naive, let's just write something naive for now. Okay, so you have index, last number, and then the absolute difference. The difference. But then that's going to be 90,000 times 10 to the 4th, which is not too big. Right. Okay. Oh, it's the longest, right? Longest is the greedy component. The greedy component would be that for each cell, we go as close as possible for the delta that is. That's not an easy one. Anyone got Q4 yet? One person, so maybe not. So okay, so this is tick no tick, so I don't know how I can just optimize that. I didn't get so many wrong answers on Q2. This would have been better. Okay, so then here, so it's greedy, right? So we just want this index and then the difference, and then it is just about oh, there's still a for loop there though. You definitely need n. This is longest. And you don't always first start with the first number. Okay. This was a good poem to go to the bathroom on, because I still have no idea. I thought I had some ideas to play around, but What about increasing subsequence? Does that change anything? I don't know how you don't test every number. Well, okay, so there's only 600. Okay, I see. Okay. I think I see it now. Only 600 numbers, because you only go up or down. But that's still entering. Okay, that's not good enough. Wait. Yeah, going up doesn't seem to help either, does it? Oh, I see. That's a hard one. That's a hard one, actually. Okay. Then now, I should have written it out though. I guess that's the thing, right? Just one for the current index. Maybe that's plus one. That's the now go of that's a hard one. I see. Okay. Write it out first and then we'll optimize later. Actually, we could just do that, right? So then here. Yeah, okay. You could just write it out. I just have to process all this. Yeah, okay. Yeah, got this. Okay, okay. Okay, that's not bad. We just have to be a little bit smaller. Okay, I think that's it. Okay. And then no. Okay, so then now pre-process. This is kind of wrong, but that's fine. No, you want an array. Technically 390, I guess, or 299. Right. D. Okay. I know it can be something about n index. Okay. Just wanted to run it, but okay, fine. Okay. I mean, that's a big number, but why is that? Oh, because it goes to diff. Oh, yeah, I'm dumb. It should be this plus 1, but then not this. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's try a really big number. Or I guess I could just do it here. I just want it anyway. That's a little bit too slow, isn't it? Why is that too slow? I mean, it's right. Why is it too slow? Why does it take 3 seconds a case? Should I YOLO? That doesn't make sense. And I do want everything, so I guess so. Huh? I mean, maybe we can have to optimize it, but let's YOLO submit it. Maybe I should have done the clear cache thing there. I should have done it, I forgot. Maybe it's gonna time out. Let's see. Is that much faster? I didn't submit it yet. I just want to see the timing. It was like 9.5 seconds or something, right? So not that much faster. Oops. I guess you can write this in Java, so I'm going to see here. Convert this to Java, please. Let's see what happens. Why is ChatGPT so slow on this one? I just want to see this timing. Java, it doesn't know how to do anonymous functions. Yeah. Let's try C++. I guess I could do it with bottoms up, but I don't know. I mean, 9 seconds is so tight, but it's in theory possible. I was just a little bit YOLOing, but I guess I can actually have written something like this where I guess this is actually doesn't have to be a thing, but I guess so. How long does this take? It still takes a while, and also maybe the wrong answer. Do I forget a -1 somewhere? Oh, I guess this is equal to n. Because you want to add the current number. But it's not any faster, so it kind of moot. I don't know if it's a C++ thing or whatever, but it is what it is. Yeah, I mean, it is much faster actually. But is it enough for me to submit? Let's try fixing this here. We want it to be just n. Is that right? It is faster. I don't know. Is it fast enough though? Actually. How does that chat? Leetcode is silly. I mean, we do make optimizations. It's just I don't know. I might as well at this point. I might as well just do C++. Okay. Why is that string? No, we don't want memo to be this. We want memo to be just an index. Memo table using array, please. That's just lazy. What is going on? Let's run it real quick. Memo key. Oh yeah, I forgot to change that. It's actually easy to translate, but yeah, now is it fast enough? Yeah, unordered map, not even correct anymore. But okay, so then we want maybe how long does this take? Okay, so that takes fast enough. So let's YOLO submit this. Yeah. If it still times out, then it's so hard to guess whether it will time out, honestly. Because complexity-wise, it should be okay, right? 6 million. But I don't know. I mean, other than doing it bottoms up, how many people got it? It is kind of bull. Leetcode is kind of silly. Like, this is so fast. But oh, this should always exist, so like maybe I could do that a little bit better. I don't know. I don't think that's that much fast. Maybe I'm wrong on that one. This isn't right. That's why, but maybe that's fine. I don't know. This isn't even right there. This is also just not necessary. Do I, that's my thing, is that do I figure out how to optimize or not, right? But like 10,000 times 300 or it's not even 600 should be okay. So this is just kind of, I don't know, really upsetting that, like, I don't know if I'm optimizing something, and this is so fast actually. Yeah, is there a smarter way? Maybe with greedy? I don't know, right? Like when it times out, it's just impossible to debug timeout on someone like this, you know? Probably could use an arrays. Maybe that's fine. I don't know. Is that faster? Oh. Wait, what? No, just use n. Does that not work? Is that faster? It is a little bit faster, but is that fast enough? That's the part that is just like silly. Right. Something like that, right? Yeah, that actually end up taking longer. Is that consistent? No. So it could be anything, I don't know. I'm gonna submit it just because I don't know how. Maybe I have to solve the problem another way. I don't know. Like the complexity is right-ish, but I don't know. Probably. It is kind of okay. Let's look. We have 40 minutes left. Let's at least look at Q4. Okay. Because I think we got it, but I don't know. You just decoding silly. Okay. Following at most ones, choose any integer x such that nums remain non. Maximum subarray sum across all. Oh yeah, I might as well YOLO. And what did I change? I added the cache courier. Is that it? Okay, I don't know. At most ones. All possible subarrays. So basically, we move all numbers once and then okay. Okay. I guess n is big. Yeah. That's kind of awkward actually. Like why would it not return remove one? Oh no, it's max. Okay, so so obviously n squared is going to be too slow. I don't know if I have any ideas on this one immediately. I think this one's a little bit tractable, but I don't know. I mean, it shouldn't. What? That's the thing with hidden test cases, right? I mean, not hidden test cases, but you don't know how many test cases there are. So it's silly. Because this should be it. I don't know. It makes me sad because I feel like this is a good problem otherwise. Yeah, I don't know that I know how to optimize this even more, you know? Is it on this part? I don't know. Like if we just remove this, how is it much faster? I mean, it's gonna be wrong, obviously, but what's it on the initialization? It's a little bit faster, but 5.7. I mean, it's slow, but it's, I don't know. Like, I feel like they just want us to make some like very constant optimization, and you know, it's just not. This should be good enough, right? That's just like 3 million. Or 6 million, because 3 times it by 2, I suppose. This doesn't matter. This should be okay. And even C++ wasn't fast enough. I wonder if Java is. That'd be funny if Java was fast enough, but not C++ or Python. And kind of out of ideas, honestly, other than very minor stuff. So I might as well just copy the Java code and see if that works. How fast is this? I mean, this is gonna be fast, right? How do I even write it? I think that's really it. Was it just all zeros are fine? Alright, this is much faster than the C++ version, but is it right? Well, actually, if this is the case, oh no, that's right. It is faster. Alright, well, YOLO, what else am I doing? I hate Leetcode. I mean, we spent about, like, I don't know. We'll talk about it later, but at least 15 minutes on just like Leetcode things, right? Java. I should have done Java. I don't know why I did C++. I wanted to change it up a little bit today, but that's just dumb. Okay. I mean, I don't know. Should have known better, I suppose. Okay. I mean, I guess I could have done it bottoms up. I think maybe that's the other way of doing it, but okay. I'll solve later, Larry. Okay. Q4. How I don't know that I know how to do it, to be honest, but I just wasted so much time because of Leetcode. We always want to remove a negative number, but it isn't always the biggest number, right? I guess that doesn't really generalize it enough. But okay, so we can merge all the positive numbers, right? Okay. We can greedily merge all the positive numbers because we'll never remove them. So then now you have a lot of consecutive negative numbers. And you get to remove one of them. But the thing is, you can combine them still. How do you sap all the numbers away? Because then it's just variable length, it's not the entire thing, right? And it's too big to do anything reasonable, other than binary search maybe. The n unique different number. It's always going to prefix something. No, you don't want the entire thing. Can you do it with a segment tree? No, I don't think so. Well, for each number you remove it and I don't know, I don't think segment tree is the way to do it, but mean, this is such. I mean, Q2 was all me, but Q3 I feel like it's full. And Q4 I just don't know how to do. This is probably not just greedy of a big number. Because you can have a lot of big small numbers, right? You have to do a loop on the numbers, right? Probably. There's really no DP about it. Okay, so I mean, there's some optimizations, but I still feel like it's n squared loser. We only have half an hour, so. I think about it as connected components. How can it be? Just a depth first search. That's going to be n squared, right? And even if you think about it in terms of that, it changes the answer even if the components are not. Well, you could recalculate the answer. That part is not an issue. Do you want the maximum number of components? I guess so. Because in a greedy way, that is always ideal. Oh, but then you have this decision thing. I guess that doesn't really make sense. My rank, I put 15 minutes is ridiculous. I don't know that I know how to do this one, honestly, even when I'm awake. Non-empty. So this is the one without the right. Yay, we got one input right at least. No, yeah, that decision doesn't make sense with components. Okay. It feels very segment tree, or like maybe divide and conquer anyway, which is part of the segment tree thing. But you're still modifying like on removal. So okay, so removing, but it's also setting an element to 0. Okay, maybe that's another way of thinking about it. But I mean, it's fine. I'm gonna do some waiting, but I mean, this is. I feel like other than, yeah. Okay, So it's setting it to 0. How would that change it? N square is definitely too slow. I don't know what I'm doing. There's still 18 minutes left. I don't think I'm getting it. But who would even have any ideas? Yeah, I don't know how to do it without it being... Oh, maybe it is. Maybe I could do it with segment tree. Okay, I think this is a segment tree then. Because then you amortize it over. Oh, I see. Oh, that's great. Let me. I've written this now. Let me find if I could find one. That's it. Yeah, okay. Because you amortize all the log n operations. Okay. Oh, that is... Okay, yeah, okay. I'm trying to find my thing. Okay, so this is the thing, the segment tree that I had. This is how to use it. I don't know about this part, but okay. I need to rewrite this at some point. Yeah, I just copied off ChatGPT in the past. Okay. I think this is the part that I care about. I guess we can play around with this, right? Yeah, at least we can do it for these. I always hate the query things. That's not great, actually. before I need to have, I know how to do it, but why is it 4? We don't do any updates. So then why is it wrong? Oh, because of the negative, I think. No, where do you get 4 from? Oh, actually, am I just wrong? This should be 4, right? This is 4. So actually, my best is wrong. Wait, yeah, why is that wrong? That is terrible, actually. I think negative is... So this is negative infinity, maybe. But... Three. Maybe something like that. That's pretty embarrassing, actually, that I got contains wrong. Okay, so let's say we have this then, right? Okay, then now we want to change the update such that we want to change the update with lazy propagation. So actually this is wrong, but that's fine. What we want is, okay. Oh, we don't need this. Right, and then now we want to say okay. We have a lazy update. I don't know that I'm going to finish in time, but it is what it is. Okay, so then now x for index and indexes of x. Want to update sec3 update to n-1, I think. Index to 0. and then we want to say this thing actually, and then we update it back to X, right? And then that's it. Did I miss this one? Oh, I don't know. What? This is crazy. Seven, 9, okay, that's good. Oh, I didn't do the thing where, yeah, okay, I have to do this first. Okay, 7, 10. Okay, it may not be fast enough, but at least it should be right. It'll probably time out, but I want to at least get something in. Let me convert it to another language. Why not? It's gonna time out, but I think this is right though, the idea. Because if you do lazy correctly, this should be right. Oh. Oh, well. That's why did it take so long to say that? But we want the merge. What are my 4 values again? I always forget. I forget my notation. Totals. Oh, totals. Oh, there it is. Max sum, right? Max sum is max. Right? How do I fix this? Well, okay, yeah. If all the numbers are... Oh, I actually also want to change this to only if negative. Oh. But we also want the max sum. If only I have slightly more time. We could fix it anyway. I don't know. So new. Yeah, YOLO try. I mean, it might time out, but at least we'll, you know, feel good about it, I suppose. Okay. I mean, it's ridiculous, but it's fun. I don't know how many people got it, but it may who knows if it TL if it 1 hour of time afterwards, but I mean that's also crappy though, because I spent so much time on Q3 as a result of just because I would have had just much closer, right? But yeah, I don't know when I mean I think the thing doesn't update yet, but yeah, I mean 53 is great. I mean we have 1 minute left, so I'm just taking some rest. And honestly, at this point, I am just going to take a look at other people's solution first, but yeah, I mean, I don't know if you could see the I guess my head is blocking the timer, but yeah, I mean, I guess this isn't live or whatever, but it's just me, yeah, just figuring it out, but and honestly, Q4 took shorter than Q3, but I don't know. I feel like what I did is ridiculous, but I think it's just maths, but it requires such knowledge of certain things. That I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So they did it that way too. Then yeah, if you have to code, then it's yeah, okay. I mean Q3 is I guess I don't really have much to say, but yeah. Yeah. Anyway, I guess that's all I have for this one. It seems like everyone did it my way on Q4, so I thought maybe it'll be something. I mean, people did in 13 minutes is ridiculous, or 5 minutes even. I guess it is. I mean, I knew it was sick, or I don't know if you were, like, I mentioned that it was probably sick tree, like, much early on, and it turned out that it was, but I just didn't know how to do it until I think the other hard part is just the maths, but, or, like, I thought it would take n square for some reason, but once I realized that it is actually amortized up with lazy propagation, then that should be fine. But yeah, that is all I have for this one, though. Just all my efforts. Yeah, thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.